Okay, we caught this bluegill over the weekend. This bluegill, or shell crackers, the perch we call them down here. I'm going to show you the easiest way to eat them. I'm sure when you were a kid you ate them like this. Fry them up whole, gut them. That's it. What we're going to do, we're going to put a couple cuts in them. Whoops, there goes one. And do that to all of them, both sides. I already did that side. Okay, you get your fish fry ready. I like using seasoned lemon fish fry from Zatarain's. I'm gonna put that in a bowl. Whoops, making kind of a little mess like I always do. And simple, a little Creole from Tony Chachere's, you know. We all like that down here. Mix it up. You're gonna get both sides. I don't know why I'm laughing. All right. Get it all nice up in there. Yeah, it looks kind of. You get them in there. Let them fry up. All right. Don't take long. Maybe 4 minutes on each side. You don't want to burn them. After about maybe 2 minutes, like I said, you want to flip them. Get them nice and golden brown on each side. See how your tails are curling up? You get those nice and crisp. We all know that that's the best part. Alright, all ready. Gonna take them out. Looks good, huh? Nicole?
Yep.
Hold my cameraman. My son. Okay. Okay. It look like. All right. Put a little lemon on there. A little bit of salt. Be careful. And that's all I need. All right. Gonna make a po' boy, a little shrimp po' boy with it, along with the fish. Alright, some shrimp up right there. And that's some fettuccine right here. Shrimp fettuccine. We got our fish, stuff for our po' boy, and a fettuccine in the kitchen. We're ready to eat. Okay. Alright, there's your little crispy perch that we call down here. Can't beat that. That's good. Can't beat it. Pick the rest off the bones. If you like this, please subscribe. My name's Kelly. Thank you. Alright. Sorry, man. We're done. We ate all the fish. You gotta eat dog food.